Doug Marshall with Marshall Auction Company, April 28th auction. Quick video from Trap, Maryland. Large selection of shotguns, rifles. And the numerical order, I'm going to go backwards here just to help you see how many guns there are. I'm going to go backwards here, try to give you a good shot of the numbers. We have Winchesters, Remingtons, Savages. A lot of nice 22 target rifles, bull barrels. Saw a couple Anschutz rifles. I'll finish up right back here. Really nice looking Ruger there. A lot of nice custom 22 target rifles. All these guns will be sold no minimums, no reserves, April 28th here in Trap, Maryland. Eastern Shore, Maryland's oldest auction facility, a state auction facility.